And here we are on a pretty early evening walk with these two. Monty has already annoyed Liza on the previous green spot, and yeah, so yesterday during our afternoon walk with Liza, I had on the shorts, and I was bitten 3 times, Lizzie Tuki, by mosquitoes. Today so far I wasn't, but now apparently I'm thinking that I will be forced to wear once again long trousers for all the walks, which will be annoying. Kaj zdaj? Gremo? Especially due to the fact that now they are saying that on Sunday, Monday, we will be reached by our first heat wave of the season. So coming from Africa, Sahara, and they are saying that so Sunday, Monday, our western Slovenian regions, the coast regions, will already have like 30 degrees Celsius around Wednesday, so we will all experience the heat. So now they are saying that this year apparently we will have above average temperatures, but not record high. So I assuming that means in the range between 30-35 degrees Celsius. Monty, počakam. Eko. And yeah, in the morning I then check the fridge if I have anything there for these two, and I had so I found chicken stomachs, I believe. So already put them in. Well, I made the soup, a stew from them. It's currently cooling down, so about an hour after we return, they will get. Pejmo, pusti Monty. Yeah. Pejmo Montak. There is a small dog barking. Liza doesn't care. Monty is, of course, interested. Yeah, pride. Yeah, so long trousers. Pretty. Or I will have to buy that anti-mosquito spray. No, pridi.
Sem bil tudi najboljši urodje.
No, pejmo Monty.
Jaz sem bil tisto lopato škrbasto, pizda.
No, pridi. So yeah. Next week it will be hot. Hopefully it will be not, too hot for these two, that they will survive. But yeah, in either case, We will go outside only when it's, appropriate. So early morning, early evening, or even late evening, we will wait for the dark. 9, 10. Oh, itchy and scratchy non-stop. Jackie, Lizzie, Jack, come on. One there, one here. Okay, we will end on this point. Приятно. Йосе. Приятно.